So the Audi RS4, a car that I've wanted to drive for quite a long time, and now I've got the chance. But what will I think? Well, that's enough talking. Let's get in and do some driving. Before we get going though, let's hear that engine. Ah, the sound of a 2.9 litre 6-cylinder German symphony. Wunderbar! Now the old car used a V8 engine, whereas this car has gone back to a V6 engine, but it's got twin turbochargers and it's able to offer 450 PS, which is around 445 brake horsepower, give or take. That's coupled with 600 Newton meters of torque, meaning that this car will hit 62 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. Amazing for an estate car, and it will hit a top speed of a very Germanic 155 miles per hour. Oh. And the power delivery is pretty brutal. It's very linear. Oh, brakes are good as well. It's very linear, and all you have to do is just put your foot down and you get a surge of power. My word, this car is ballistically fast, and I'm indicating for no reason. Why am I doing that? No idea. But Audi has confused my brain. I've only driven it for a few moments. Whoa, that grip is phenomenal. As with other Audi performance cars, you've got the famous quattro all-wheel drive system. So therefore, you've got grip for days. It will just grip and grip and grip until the tyres fall off. Now, I'm stuck in a bit of traffic, which is a little bit annoying, but these things happen. So let me talk about the inside. Well, the inside is lovely. You've got these carbon fibre splashes in here. You've got the Alcantara steering wheel. You've got these lovely leather seats, which are so nice to sit in. They're so comfortable, but yet so supportive as well. They really are nice, and they're black and red, which is always a good thing. So you've got different driving modes, predictably. At the moment, I've got the car in dynamic because why wouldn't you? And that exhaust note, oh, sounds absolutely fantastic. It really, really does. Oh, bit of undulations there. Turn in, it feels crisp, it feels direct. Now, I've not driven the previous RS4, but quite a few people said that it just felt a bit too nose heavy, and the whole car just felt, well, a little bit too heavy. This car is lighter, and it does feel, well, dare I say nimble? Maybe not quite nimble, but it doesn't feel heavy on its feet. So helping to provide the power of this car, you've got an 8-speed tiptronic automatic gearbox. Oh, which is pretty quick to use, especially in dynamic mode. This car is brutal, and to think that you can use this car every day. It's got a massive boot. You can fit your kids or your family members or your friends in the back. It's incredible. Now, I know a lot of people say that the RS6 is like the ultimate daily, but this isn't far behind. And honestly, I've not driven an RS6, but I think I'd rather have this because the RS6 is quite a large car, and I think this car would easily suit your needs of family life. Now, if I was on the lookout for a fast car I could use every day, then this would definitely be towards the top of my list if I could afford it, which I can't. Yes, needless to say, the Audi RS4 Avant is far from a cheap car. It starts from £62,215, but you know what? If I had the money, I would definitely consider this car. You get so much car for the price. It's practical, it's fast, it's stylish, it's comfortable, it's premium. Yep, I really think it is the full package. However, the price soon skyrockets once you add options. So, for example, the car tested here has got almost £20,000 worth of options on it. £20,000! That's enough to go out and buy another car, or go on a really nice holiday and have loads of money left over. But either way, the Audi RS4, yep, it is a fair amount of money, but my word, it's a fair amount of car. Sorry if I'm making lots of silly noises, but this car, the power it delivers and the way how it delivers it is mind-bending, almost quite literally. And you've still got lots of technology in here as well. It's a fast car, but it's not to say it's stripped out in here. It's still very luxurious. It's still very premium. Got a big touchscreen in front of me. Got this lovely Audi virtual cockpit as well. And all in all, it's a lovely place to be. It is a bit warm in here though, because it's got quite hot all of a sudden. But other than that small complaint, it's pretty good. I would turn the aircon on, but I don't want the aircon noise to interfere with my audio. Let's go around for one more blast. It's got to be done. Right. Okay. That's first gear. Sugar. That is rapid. And it feels like I was just stretching the car's legs. The car's kind of going, yeah, what else you got? Whoa. Just whoa. Right, nothing in front of me now, so let's really give it some beans. Well, as much beans as I can, because although this is a private road, I am still limited to a speed limit, I'm afraid to say. Right, this corner's quite tight. Let's see how it fares. Right, find that turning point. Oh, look, got a little bit of oversteer there. I was not expecting that. Normally, fast Audis, you get understeer, but actually a bit of trail braking. Got the back end out. I wasn't expecting that, but even though this car is insanely powerful, it wasn't terrifying. My pants are still clean. You'll be happy to hear. Got my brakes again. Turn it in. Change down, and then Jesus, I'm catapulted out that corner. It's like a slingshot. Incredible stuff. Turn it in, find that apex, then on the power. Oh, Audi, you've done well here. You have done flipping well here. I could easily drive this car until the petrol runs out. Or until I pass out, because I'm getting quite warm now. Yes, a few hot laps indeed. Quite literally hot, I'm boiling. So, excuse me, I do need to put the aircon on. Otherwise, I probably will actually pass out. And my passenger will probably pass out as well. So, about to get some aircon noise now, so apologies. Whew. Whew. My word. Talk about a good way to get yourself flustered, but in a good way, So again, apologies for the aircon noise. It is needed because I'm flipping boiling. I know I'm wearing a fleece. Yes, I know, I'm fully aware of that. But it's been quite cold today, and then all of a sudden it's just got really warm. RS, I think it stands for roller coaster sensation. Oh man. Absolutely great stuff. So the RS4, it's an animal, but it's an animal you can use every day. You can take the dog in it, you can take your kids in it, take your family in it, and it's super practical. This is the sort of car that you don't really have to justify buying. Okay, I know it's a lot of money, but it's not like it's a supercar that you can only really use at the weekend. You can use this car every day, and in the winter as well, because you've got the all-wheel drive system. Wow. Absolutely incredible. Right, let me turn the aircon off, which I don't really want to do, but at least I'm getting out of the car soon. So I hope you enjoyed that blast in the new Audi RS4. I know I did. I don't think my passenger did so much. She looks rather faint, which is quite clammy, but I enjoyed it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up, and please subscribe for more car obsession.